Okay, once again, this is video number 3. I'm sharing the swaps that I did when I went to Onstage Local, which is a Stampin' Up type of a convention, really. And we ended up getting our catalog. All right, so I swapped a little bit with as many people as I could. I was only able to make something like, I don't know, 30 swaps. So these are the swaps that I got back. This lady's name is Denise Stamps.stampinup.net. So Denise Jorgensen from Renton, Washington. It's only a card front, and I have a tendency to myself swap with full cards, but you know, some people don't. So let's see what she used. She used the Stitched All Around label framelits. Oh, and the stamp set was stitched all around. Blackberry Bliss, Very Vanilla, Petal Promenade, Petal Pink, Rhinestones, Velvet Ribbon. Really nice. So there's an idea to use that stamp set. This one's really cute. Again, this is J. Bishop and using a card front. This is that subtle embossing folder. Of course, I love the kitties. That's Share What You Love paper there. Love that paw print. True Love has 4 paws. And in my case, 3. So, oh, and did I say the name? J. Bishop. Sorry. So this lady, Karen Pelkey from Port Coquitlam. Again, just a card front. This is that pig stamp set, and she's used fine tip glue to coat her piggy wig to make him look shiny and colored him with blends. Really good job. Thank you so much, Karen. And this happens to be Karen Duke. So Karen Duke is actually from Spruce Grove, Alberta. And she has, I think this is Cajun Craze, and she's got the stitched framelit circle and the scalloped circle there. And she's using Beauty Abound stamp set with rhinestones. So good job. Excellent job, Karen. All right, so those were the card fronts. There was only 4 because most people swap with full cards. So I'll share this one. This is the Words Can't Express doily. Petal Promenade. I think that's maybe Mossy Meadow. Fresh Fig, Whisper White, and this was Sharon Bukowski. So thank you so much, Sharon. This is, let's see, Kathy Clark. She is from Edmonton, Alberta. This is the Tropical Chic stamp set and designer series paper. Really good job. Okay. This is from April Sheffield from Washington. It looks like the Butterfly Beauty stamp set. She's got the butterfly punches, and she's just hand-drawn the black line around. Really cute detail there. Thank you so much. I love this lady's work. I think her name is Phoebe. Yes, Phoebe. Yeah, her name is Phoebe. Phenomenal work, right? That embossing folder that I don't have. I don't know what it's called. Yeah. I don't even know what this flower is from. These are just great. It's to me, it looks kind of Asian. Very pretty colors. Really like that one. Thank you, Phoebe. Okay. This has a no name. You're totally awesome in every way. That's using that puzzle one and the Animal Expedition framelit. She's cutted them all out. Really cute. And that puzzle embossing folder, really, that's a neat idea actually, to make a puzzle out of that. How cute. This is the Daisy Punch. Let's see. This is by... So, the lady's name is Marley's Heringa from Washington. Sorry if I didn't do your name justice. Thank you so much. Here's an Easter card by I don't know who. Put the little cottontail, that was fun. The gingham, happy spring. Love that. Thank you so much. Boing, boing. I need to use these a little bit more. So she looks like she's actually used, can you see that? Just like a coiled spring. Can you see that? Really neat idea. Kind of fun construction. So it's a circle. She must have, and it's just curled spring. And then doing. That one really springs. Well done. Let me see who did this. Nobody. That's Fresh Fig. This is that wood grain folder. I'm thinking that's Blackberry Bliss. The pig stamp set. I really need to get my stamp sets on the go here. Love the teapot. The teapot with that embossing folder that I don't have. This is the Subtles embossing folder. It says Happy Mother's Day. And this is from someone that I don't know. And it looks like just a little a twist here in the string, which adds just a little bit of extra element on there. Really nicely done. Thank you so much. Rooted in nature, I would say. The paper, the stamp set. This is from a lady named Nicole Flournoy from Spanaway, Washington. There's a little bit of metallic gold thread. Really nicely done. Thank you. Okay, this one is from Cynthia Dennis. And I don't know what stamp set that is. You are amazing, it says. And it folds like that. So it's a card front like this, right? Scored in the center and folded back on itself. And then she's added this extra piece to cover the piece on the inside. Oh, and look, and there's a little stamp on the inside. I don't know this stamp set. This is good. I have to look it all up. I really like this lady's card because I quite like this stamp set, and I actually don't own it. Let me see. Her name is Dee Beauchamp from Fort St. John's, BC. The stamp set is called Just Because and Butterfly Gala. And Pinewood Planks is the embossing folder. The rectangle stitched framelit for the frame. And the Butterfly Duet Punch for this guy. And she used Night of Navy and Blackberry Bliss and Green Apple. Oh, Night of Navy and or Blackberry Bliss. So I think she had two different choices. And then Granny Apple Green and Old Olive Dark. So she had a selection. Really cute. I love this one. So thank you so much, Dee, I think it was. Dee from Fort St. John. And this is from Debbie, who is on my team. So I already shared her card. This is from Tina Flo from Pixie Stampers. Oh, this was a card front. That's okay. Thank you. Love this one. Dorothy. she's used the Life's Too Short stamp set and the Amazing Life stamp set. And she used her gingham and balmy blue. Love that. Yes. Thank you so much. I love that style. This is, okay, this is kind of a neat card because it has like a smaller card inside just a piece of cardstock. So that's kind of fun. That's a little bit unexpected. She's also used an additional little strip here. I think that, she doesn't say, oh, Garden Impressions DSP and Butterfly Gala and Another Wonderful Year. And her paper, this is shaded spruce and this is soft seafoam. And rhinestones. And her name was Debbie Flatham. So thank you so much, Debbie. Look at this one. This is crazy. For one, she gave us a envelope. What? Barb Vander from Bellingham, Washington. And there's some green in here. And some Berry Burst, and I don't know what that is from. No idea. And this must be the Bloomin' series paper. Really cool, actually. Yeah, it's shiny. And an envelope. Are you kidding me? It's crazy. Count the good times, not the candles. This is a piece of cake stamp set. And then, let's see, Elaine Shader. And I don't know what framelit she used here, but I like it. It's very graphic. And that must be fresh fake. Really nicely done. And this is the last one, Sending Healing Vibes. We've got Liz Springer. So that is a pretty label punch. This is that linen, vanilla linen embossing folder. I don't remember this ribbon at all, so that's interesting. And this is that soft vanilla ribbon there. I don't know what that one's called. This must be the distinctive rose. It's quite lovely, actually. I'm glad to see it, to be honest. There's that one. And then I had some 3Ds. Okay, so I'll put some of these more cards on. My card fronts. Okay, so this is from Colleen Bryant, and she's from Ontario. St. Mary's, Ontario. So look at that, gingham. And this is the the daisy punch with one of those centers. And inside, what? A ginger peach tea. So she used the envelope punch board. And there's this little for you that just slips in like that. So that's a really cute thing. There was also this lady who used the gingham, and she gave us all a little Lindt chocolate bunny, and it was stuffed in there, and I couldn't believe it. I'm like, what? Really cute little origami basket. But sadly, the bunny, I did save it to share with everybody, but then it got crushed in my bag. So then I had to eat them. So there's that. Here is a little treat for someone sweet. This is by Jingle Edra, who she was one of my followers on Facebook a long time ago, and she came up, and she's so sweet. She came up and gave me a great big hug, and she wanted a picture, and she told me I was her favorite. Anyway, it says chocolate mini gift box, handmade by Jingle Edra. She's like, I created this box to fit this Kit Kat chocolate bar, inspired from the paperpixie.com Julie DiMatteo. So, look at how cute that is. So it's got a little flap, boop, flap, boop. And then inside, she wrapped the little Kit Kat, like really took her time and put a little Kit Kat in this. Are you kidding me? Thank you so much, Jingle. I'll treasure this. The chocolate I'm not going to treasure, and I'll eat in a minute. I just had to save it. And then, while I was having breakfast, some lady comes up to me. It just happens to be Bonnie Sanchez, who lives in Calgary, and she is on the Random Act of Kindness card groups. We're both admins for that. And she says, this is Fresh Fig, Tranquil Tide, Whisper White. The stamp is from Well Said. The dies are from Well Written Framelits. The accents are rhinestones, polka dot tulle, and ribbon. So, you have Hello Friends. You have this little flap. And then you open it. I'm not making this up, people. Like, this is the gift that I got. Little happy birthday with the little birdie. It's a 3x3 card. What? Here's another one. Love you. 3x3 card. Happy. And then the thin, and what did she say the DSP was? She didn't. This is the textures. Tranquil Textures. And then, I'm not making this up. She included 3 little mini envelopes too. Like, what? That is craziness, right? So cute. So thank you. And I have a picture of Bonnie. Maybe I'll put it in right here. So thank you so much, Bonnie. And these are my swaps from Onstage, Vancouver 2019. Thanks so much for watching.